family, but I come from a family of great bhaktas. My father was a great devotee of Hanuman. Maybe because of Hanuman, I think I was called here. And all through my childhood, the Taraka mantra, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. That's what my father used to sing when I fallen sick. When I used to fall sick, he used to put me on his lap. That was the only Taraka mantra. Then I used to, apart from the medicines, I think when they fall sick, when they feel low, the only mantra I recite is not any other mantra. Only Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare. That's what I sing when I recite for my kids. And that is the power of our Taraka mantra. Strength in these words. Dharma